who made it.
Starting to get nice and all purdy out there. Anyways, so I got a bit of a predicament here. Essentially what's going on is the spot I picked was based off a recommendation off a friend from last year. And essentially this is where the biggest pike was caught. And it was nothing too crazy. It was about a 39.5-inch pike, which, you know, I've never fished this lake before, so at least that's something. It's better than nothing. But essentially what I found out is this whole spot here is about, this spot right here is like 3 feet deep. Like, I have a spot over there, maybe 5 feet deep. Originally, I actually punched a hole right there, and that was only a foot deep. And that was a terrible decision. So, the reason why you're probably thinking, oh, why don't you just move? You might as well. Well, take a look at this. There is Shantytown right over here, and there's 100, maybe not 100, but there's a few people. So I figured, I'm like, oh well, if I just move out a little bit further, there should be nothing wrong with being fishing a little bit deeper. You know, I punched a hole over there last night, and that spot was about, like I said, about 4 or 5 feet. So I figured, I'm like, all right, if I go a little bit further out, I'll have a better chance. And then this way, at the same time, I am still close to where everybody's huddled up, because, you know, when you've never fished a lake before and there's a bunch of ice shacks on the lake, I'm gonna fish where the ice shacks are. Like, clearly these people know where the fish are. If it's just a bunch of tents, it's different. But with the ice shacks, at least this way, I know that, you know, most people don't end up putting a shack for no reason. You can hear these jawjackers, pretty noisy. It's got kind of a cool jigging wheel. My next spot is, I'm probably gonna go punch a hole right in between these shanties. I know I hate to be that guy, but clearly it has to be deeper, something going on over there. I don't know. I'll show a better video once we get a little bit closer, but it's about 6 feet there, maybe. So it seems like there's a bit of a drop off or something going on over there. It's better than 3. I'm just gonna, looks like I'm going to hang out in Shantytown today. Usually don't like fishing this close to other people, but don't really have a choice. A jawjacker all the time, it psychs me out. I hear that drop, and I think it's a fish. Like, I don't know if you can hear that, but yeah. So I decided to move. Oh, now we got a nice squirmy little boy. So it turns out moving was a much better idea. I moved from where you can see I am right now. That's my tent. I was kind of like right there. And then I moved into this direction. And as I was recording, of course, my camera decided to turn off. Oh, look at that. Got a little pike love mark. So, just caught a little itty bitty pike. It seems that the sweet spot here seems to be about 5 feet of water in comparison to 3 feet of water. Now, don't get me wrong. I did get a bite there, but there's this like a little basin, like a little bowl here. And it's really weird because if you go probably about, I don't know, 20 meters, 50 feet, whatever the math is on that, don't judge me. It's about a foot of water closer to the middle. It's super weird. Whereas on the outside here, it's kind of like this trophy trough. And that seems to be where all the pike are. So I am relining my line because that pike decided to do a 360 and get all spun up in it. So let's see if this is the trick. And ironically, I actually think dead sticking might be the trick here instead of jaw jacking, but we'll see. Come on, buddy. Take it. I don't know if that's on. And he took the tail.
That's probably my guy.
There you go.
Oh! I'm so sorry, guys. Oh. Here, let's get a picture with the little guy.
That's probably your best one yet. No, just kidding.
No, the one before. You missed it. That one was before.
Was it?
Look at me.
That one you had this morning too was really nice.
No, the one this morning. It was definitely like 78.
That's so funny. Starts pulling. Oh, this one's bigger.
That's always how it goes though.
It felt a lot bigger than the...
The little guys, they like to fight. Sorry, can you do that one more time?
Devin's a bum. Go away.
What is it that you don't want to do?
I don't want to be outside. It's cold. I don't want to drink.
We have it on video, folks. You. Okay, you're tiny. Okay. Me. What's going on here, buddy? You're gonna keep 360? 360?
Don't put your fingers in his mouth.
Look at them! Ow.
Oh, he's just a noodle. Wait, wait.
That's at least a 70er.
It looks like 89 centimeters to me.
Oh, look at this butt head. Ow. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's two of them.
Oh my god, Devin.
Ah!
Just release this guy.
Yeah, but he's chomping. I just need my, what do you call it? This bad boy. He's pulling an old chomperoo.
Oh, he's got it in there.
Like he doesn't want to open up.
Who's got it out? Oh,
No, actually, perch eggs.
nice.
Yeah, a little different.
You saw me
Well, there's two of them right there right now. No, oh yeah. Look at this thing. That's awesome. This is one of the coolest rigs I've seen. Hold on. Like you got tractor in there. This is so cool. Look at this.
Oh, there's a second one now.
He's a little bigger, actually.
Oh.
Trying to do. I was hoping that one had a long back. Well, it's been about an hour.
He's circling back. He's like, oh, maybe. Maybe take it again. Oh. He's gonna come back. Oh! And keep side diving. Is he gonna? Is he gonna?
Don't do that.
Do it. Do it.
There's two of them. You see that?
Oh. Is it? Oh, really?
Look, he's looking at it. Maybe if
Oh. No. He doesn't care. Wow. Wow.
Dang it.
I would have never seen
Pike. Right? They're just... You got something?
That looks good.
Oh, there you go.
That's worth measuring.
Oh, yeah. Here, stand in the light.
You need pliers?
Yeah, long ones.
Oh, here, I want to go in. Is his mouth open? Okay.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
That's a good size.
Oh, open.
I do have jaw openers if you need them.
May or may not.
Here, you want to hold the camera? Maybe record some video and I'll grab the jaw.
I have my phone on me. We have to get a photo of that one.
Oh, yeah.
Good luck trying to keep your mouth closed with that, buddy.
Oh, yeah?
Look at that. Fuck, can you imagine your hand was in that? Oh,
These are bigger. Woo.
That's definitely the biggest.
you know what? Before
80.
Hold on. 80. 80, yeah.
80.
Okay.
You want a picture of that?
There you go.
Take a picture of that.
Right there. I did. You want to hold it?
Yeah, I'll get a picture.
In the hole it goes.
Just so you know.
80. 80. Biggest
Get a
one.
picture?
I got a good picture.
That's awesome, man. Good job. Just make sure he's revived. Like, put him in there.
The dog's excited for you.
Yeah, he wants to join in on the action.
Let's see what place that would have put you in.
Whew.
He's bleeding like a motherfucker.
Yeah,
That wasn't me. Nope.
that's awesome, man.
Just heard it snap. I was like, oh fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one went up. The smelt's on top. He was pulling it up. Oh,
Oh, shit. Oh, no.
got him.
How do I record and see?
It's already recording. You just
But
need
the
to...
screen's black.
It's okay. It's recording. If I can grab them. Perfect.
Nice.
That's a nice 45-degree video.
Are you sure it's recording?
Yeah.
How do you know?
Here, press it here.
Oh.
Just gotta tap the screen. So. Alright, look at me. Look at me. That's a wrap for today, folks.
See you later.
The hole's this way, buddy.